Good morning, students. Hope you are learning chemistry at home, isn't it? So, in class 9th, we have already completed first lesson. In the second lesson, is matter around us pure? We have studied the difference between the true solutions, suspensions and colloidal solutions, and also we have studied the difference between homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Today we are going to study about the true solution. So what is true solution? Here I have taken a beaker. In the beaker I am having water. In another beaker also I have taken what? Two beakers I am having. Both the beakers I am having water. So now in the second beaker, the first beaker I am keeping down. The second beaker I am adding sodium chloride, NaCl. NaCl is sodium chloride. I am adding little amount of sodium chloride and using a glass rod, just I dissolve this. Dissolving this water and salt. I am dissolving the salt in the water. Now I will ask you a question. Now the both are one and the same. Previously I told that both are water. Now it looks same. Now both are colorless. So, but what my left hand it is water, but right hand I cannot say water. I have to say it is as a salt solution. It is not water, it is salt solution. So now previously the water is known as solvent. Now this has become a solution. So what is a true solution? A true solution. So after adding this, so first we took a solvent. In that I add salt. The salt is known as solute. After adding the solute plus solvent, we are getting a solution, salt solution. So similarly, if I add sugar, then we have to say sugar solution. If I add a lemon, or we can say lemon juice solution. That solution means two substances are mixed. One substance is lesser amount, another substance will be a greater amount. Now, concentration of the solution. Today we are going to learn what is meant by a concentration of the solution. Now this is a sugar solution. If I add another spatula of salt, and then it will dissolve. Then can I say that the previous solution is less concentrated, or now the concentration of the solution increases or decreases? Yes, it is increasing. After adding salt and again, the concentration of the solution increases. Then how concentration, what is meant by concentration? Concentration means amount of substance dissolved in a solvent. In a solvent, how much amount of substance was dissolved, that is known as concentration. These concentration can be calculated by two units. How can you calculate your weight? So your weight you can calculate by the unit called kg. So somebody will be 30 kg, somebody will be 50 kg. So your weight can be calculated in kilogram. Similarly, the concentration of the solution can be measured in terms called as two units are there. First unit is mass percentage and the second one is volume percentage. So what is mass percentage? Mass percentage is mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. What is the formula for volume percentage? The volume percentage is volume of the solute divided by volume of the solution into 100. So there are many units are there. For class 9th only two units. They are mass percentage and volume percentage. So mass percentage otherwise called as W by W percentage. Volume percentage otherwise known as V by V percentage. Volume of the solute divided by volume of the solution into 100. Okay. So based on that problem they will ask, the problem are See here, there is an important problem, exercise problem. A solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. Calculate the mass percentage. This is the formula. So first you write down what is given. What is given? Mass of the solute. Mass of the solvent. Now you tell that which is solute. Here the substance which is present smaller amount is the solute. So here 40 gram, which is they are adding, which is dissolving, sodium chloride is dissolving. So 40 gram of sodium chloride is the solute. And which is the solvent? Water only dissolves. So water is the solvent. How much gram? So water is 320 gram. Therefore, first you find out the mass of the solution. Mass of the solution is, you have to add this. So why we have to add this? Because I have added both salt and water. Salt suppose 40 gram, water is 320 gram. So in that, this is salt water. So salt 40 gram, water 320 gram means total how many gram? 360 gram. Now it becomes solution. Solution is 360. Now you calculate mass percentage. Mass percentage I am calculating here. Mass percentage equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. This is the formula. So mass of the solute is 40. Mass of the solution is 360. Here very important, 360. Don't put 320 because 320 is solvent. Here 360 into 100. Now cancel 0, 0. 4 1 times 4, 9 4s are 36. 100 by 9. If I divide 100 by 9, I will get 11.111. It goes on. So I am writing 11.1 percentage. The answer you have to write in percentage. This percentage is known as mass percentage. So the mass percentage of the solution is 11.1 percentage. So this is the way to find out the mass percentage of the what you call the solution. So by this way we can able to find out the concentration. So today in this class we have studied what is meant by solute, what is meant by solvent, and what is meant by solution. Solute means a smaller portion which you are dissolving in the solvent. Solvent is a larger quantity, and when both are mixed, that is known as solution. And concentration, how much amount is dissolving, that is known as concentration. The concentration can be measured by some units. Only two units are there, mass percentage and volume percentage for 9th class. Many units are there. For 9th class only 2 units. So mass percentage problem, very important this problem. So how to calculate the mass percentage of the solution? Solute, solvent, weight they are given, add it and substitute in the formula and you will get 11.1. So dear children, you write down this problem in your classwork note, and remaining we will discuss in the next class. I will also give you homework in Google Classroom. Please every day you please note down. Thank you students.